Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07 device. In this video I want to show you how to use dual messenger. So if you want to run two separate accounts of any application, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or simply Messenger, on the same device, first of all, let's open settings, and then you want to find here section advanced features. Now let's find dual messenger option and toggle the switch next to application that you want to use. I have only Facebook available, so let's turn this on, and when prompted you want to tap install to install second copy of the application. Then you'll have to read the disclaimer and then tap confirm button to use dual messenger on your device. And after this, second application icon will appear in your application drawer, and you can identify it by small orange icon in the bottom right corner of the application. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.